Hey everybody, it's Colby Mills with Legacy Point Realty. I'm here at my newest listing at 887 West Pecan, just outside of Sadler. Now this property, it's not going to last long. It's over 12 acres, 2,000 square feet. It's got a really nice 24 by 36 foot insulated shop, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, wood burning fireplace, so much more. Tons of mature trees, a runoff creek. You really got to come take a look. You know what? Why don't you go look right now at this video? Let me know what you think. Okay, you've seen this property online. Time to come take a look in real life. Give me a call, 903-818-6452. I'd love to show it to you. Again, Colby Mills, 903-818-6452. Y'all have a great day.